Indeed, even TMZ isn't revealing this. And I realize TMZ has got sources in clinics who give them data regardless of whether it's lawful. It's a stroke, it's a blood coagulation, and a conduit that removes the stock that piece of the mind is dead. Jamie Foxx's well-being is reputed to deteriorate as per this TikTok, posted by client at the Kyle Marissa. Jamie Foxx is purportedly not doing so well, so is it valid? Or is it simply that of a visually impaired thing and a harming talk today? We will let the cat out of the bag, including the star as per a supposed ongoing visually impaired thing. Obviously, before I spill anything, ensure first that you buy into our station and hit that notice ringer for additional updates and recordings like this. Presently, we should make a plunge as per the TikToker. A source purportedly expressed that Fox can scarcely talk and has vision misfortune in one eye. Fox probably cannot get back to his old actual well-being. After a supposed refreshed conclusion from clinical specialists, Fox supposedly should figure out how to reside with hindrance and handicap. Fox clearly experienced an unexpected problem recently, and it was supposed that he experienced a stroke as verified here. There have not been a ton of updates encompassing Fox's valid and ebb and flow determination. Yet other celebs have approached to share their considerations and supplications for Fox's confident expedient recuperation. The source from the TikTok video likewise requests that individuals quit reaching Fox's girl for refreshes in regards to her dad. She is evidently crying a ton and evidently doesn't have any desire to accept her dad's well-being update. It is asserted that Fox won't completely recuperate as per this source, and the alleged most recent news encompassing the entertainer's well-being update anyway. A media source as of late detailed that Jamie Foxx is resisting chances and discovering real confidence again after this baffling emergency. As per the report, the 55-year-old star has been going through serious physiotherapy at a top actual recovery place in Chicago and is figuring out how to walk again. The office, famous for mastery in treating wounds and conditions influence portability, works in assisting people with figuring out how to walk again. Fox's attendance at the facility shows that he has been impacted somehow or another, albeit the specific subtleties of his condition remain covered in mystery. I'm feeling confounded, I'm feeling lost, I don't have the foggiest idea where to begin. I don't have any idea how to complete things like now. I want an alternate type of help in spite of the secret encompassing Fox's well-being sources. Guarantee fans that he is getting the most ideal consideration at the restoration place. The office has an emphasis on stroke, cerebrum injury, and spinal rope wounds, demonstrating the seriousness of the difficulties. Fox is looking on his street to recuperation, while the reason for his medical issue actually stays a mysterious. The report has uncovered that James is confronting versatility. Gives an insider uncovered James is getting therapy at one of the top actual restoration communities in the country. The source added the center works in active recuperation projects to treat wounds or state of being that cut-off points or precludes the capacity to walk or walk accurately. The source likewise made sense of that the facility is explicitly known to show individuals how to walk again. The insider proceeded with James wouldn't be at this facility on the off chance that he was not debilitated in that frame of mind because of whatever happened to him, yet fans ought to have confidence Jamie is treated like royalty at this kind of facility. Last month, Fox's family was spotted visiting him during his hospitalization and recuperation period. While the particulars of this condition have not been formally unveiled, veteran Hollywood writer A.J. Benza asserted on Davor Pinsky's digital broadcast that Fox encountered a blood coagulation in his cerebrum, bringing about halfway loss of motion and visual deficiency. Benza asserted that Fox was constrained into getting a coronavirus immunization for the film creation. Not been affirmed by Fox's representative. Jamie had a blood coagulation in his mind. After he had the chance, he didn't need the shot. Yet the film he was on, he was compelled to get it. Columnist and A.J. Benza as of late asserted that Jamie Foxx has been deadened, and turned to some extent blind. The columnist said that the entertainer had been determined to have a blood coagulation that prompted him being brutal by, and by visually impaired and incapacitated. He likewise guaranteed that this was a secondary effect brought about by the coronavirus antibody, that Jane had a blood coagulation in his cerebrum. After he had the chance, he didn't need the shot, yet the film he was on, he was forced to get it. AJ twists a source guarantee Jamie's companion scratch gun as of late. Let fans know that the entertainer will refresh the fans about his well-being when he is prepared to. While his girl's last update read that the entertainer was recovering, the conversation around Foxx's well-being emergency has raised contention, with analysis focused on Benza and Drew for advancing unwarranted enemy of immunization paranoid fears. Connecting coronavirus immunizations to strokes, it is critical to take note of that these cases have not been validated by clinical experts or official sources. As Foxx proceeds with his recovery process, his fans enthusiastically anticipate refreshes on his advancement. The skilled entertainer's strength and obligation to recapturing his versatility act as a motivation to many confronting comparable difficulties. It was all baloney, yet they were detailing he's playing pickleball, he's answering on Instagram. No, he's not. That individuals do that for you. It's all untruths anyway. Is the coronavirus antibody actually the reason for the entertainer's well-being? Decay reports of Jamie Foxx's hospitalization because of an unexpected issue in April raised worries among his fans. And the fundamental inquiry was, is coronavirus immunization truly liable for Jamie Foxx's medical issue? Hypothesis escalated as bits of gossip coursed via virtual entertainment, erroneously declaring that Foxx was in a coma. These cases were exposed by truth-checking association PolitiFact in May, featuring the absence of proof. To help such declarations, Morris, as of late cases arise, recommending that Foxx had been left incapacitated and blind from a blood coagulation in his cerebrum due to getting a coronavirus mRNA immunization. Tattle editorialist AJ Benza made these charges on the web recording asked to Drew, marking an anonymous source. These cases were then enhanced by diversion outlet All Right magazine and web-based entertainment clients, including coronavirus immunization cynic S.E. Malhotra. I had someone in the room who let me in on that. Jamie had a blood coagulation in his mind. After he had the chance, he didn't need the shot, yet the film he was on, he was compelled to get it. This film is doing with Cameron Diaz. It is vital for note that there is, as of now, no proof connecting Foxx's supposed ailments to coronavirus antibodies. Corinne Foxx, Jamie Foxx's little girl, shared a video on Instagram on May 9, 2023, highlighting her dad advancing Intel PCs. This shows that he was effectively engaged with projects after his hospitalization. And I'm believing is that why he exploded on this set 7 days before this health-related crisis happened. Is that why he discharged 3 or 4 individuals, since he just had it with these commands? I don't know. Moreover, legitimate sources, for example, Vanity Fair and The Watchman, revealed that Foxx has been out of the clinic for quite a long time and was seen playing pickleball, exhibiting his recuperation prominently. Foxx's family has not credited his ailment to coronavirus immunizations. Furthermore, it was reported on May 15, 2023, that Jamie Foxx and his girl would have a game show called We Are Family in 2024 cases, connecting medical conditions experienced by superstars to coronavirus. Antibodies have become predominant during the pandemic anyway. It is essential to depend on logical proof. While some coronavirus immunizations utilize